Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars. They range from stuff out of the 30s all the way up into the muscle car era. Today we're going to talk about one of the most beautiful Thunderbirds built, in my opinion, of course, and it is in an absolutely stellar color. Give you details in a minute. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars. Today, our latest acquisition, a 1957 very special limited edition T-Bird. It is an E-Bird. Now, those of you who are in the Thunderbird world, an E-Bird is a very special engine with two 4-barrels. They were trying to compete against the Corvettes with this thing. And let me tell you, with this small little body, with that big motor, with the two 4s on it, you had some performance under the hood, absolutely. And this is one of those really special cars right on our sales floor today. It is done in its original color of Thunderbird Bronze, and it has the classic copper interior as well to match with the white porthole top as well. So it is just absolutely the epitome of one of those colors that you've seen in the 50s. Not very many, but boy, it really is a high quality base coat, clear coat paint job that is just second to none. Beautiful car all the way around in terms of the chrome work and all the bright work as well. Just very well done, meticulously taken care of. I like the fact that it has the upgraded wire wheels with the wide whitewall radial tires. Makes for a really nice ride. It goes down the road smooth, comfortably, and very nice. It also steers very well because whoever also ordered this car ordered it with power steering, power brakes, and it's got the automatic transmission, the padded dash. It also has one very nice feature because this car came out of Arizona, which means the car is really clean. Never was a Minnesota car that experienced rust and salt problems. This car has never been rusty. It has always been really in dry environments. And so in Arizona, what's one of the things you really need in Arizona? Air conditioning. They added air conditioning to this car with the under dash type unit, and it's really neatly done in the engine compartment. Take a look at that. It's really done just the way this car needed to be done, and it is very well put together. Again, we're looking at the overall of the car. The interior is outstanding, beautiful original instrumentation, all that, and it actually has an accessory gauges as well, because a lot of these cars had what they called idiot lights, that the oil light would blink, and by then it's pretty much your motor was probably done. It's got a nice temperature gauge, amp gauge, and an oil pressure gauge, and it showed really nice oil pressure when I had it running with our Walkaround, when we do our Walkaround and cold start. Tachometer is also working. So yeah, you want to watch this entire video from start to finish, because we'll have all the details of the whole car. Walk around, we start it up. You can hear how nicely it runs. Dual exhaust, of course, on the Thunderbirds. Very nice sound. It is one of those cars that just has all those things. The other thing that it does have that some of these Thunderbirds did not have, not only did I mention it has the white porthole top, hardtop, but it has a soft top as well. And that's in very nice condition. And it has the tonneau cover, which snaps to the inside of here. So if you don't feel like putting the whole top up, it's very easy just to pull that over from behind the seat, put it on there, and you're all set to go. Just because it protects the interior from rain if you happen to have rain, or the sun damage as well. As I said, it also has the padded dash for us people from cars in the 50s. Many of the steel dashes, we all have little nicks and scars on our foreheads from mom didn't quite hold us back quick enough, and we hit the brakes and we got a little mark. But she's got the padded dash, aftermarket AM/FM cassette stereo in here. Very nice to listen to your cruising tunes when you're going down the road. Dual outside mirrors, the wing vent windows, things here as well. Just one of those, like I say, one of those really outstanding cars with performance as well. And they made less than 1,500 of these cars. So if you're looking for one of those rare Thunderbirds, we've got it right here. You can find all of our information on all of our cars also on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Love to have you leave us a comment, give us a like, subscribe. One of those, it'd be great, because you'll find this information on this car and all the other cars we have in in stock as well, and some of ours in the past that also have interesting stories. But, you know, if you're looking for something that really sets itself apart, I mean, there's lots of Thunderbirds out there. There's just not a lot of these E-Birds out there. And this thing runs so nice. I can't believe it. You jump in it, pump it, boom, starts right up with the 2.4s. It really has a good sound to it. Absolutely. So we'd like to have you come down in person as well if you'd like to. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and even open on Saturdays 10 to 4. So I'm sure if you come in and take a look, this Thunderbird and all of our other inventory, really, really nice cars. This happens to be one of my favorites, and it just came in, and you know, it's one of those things that I've never had one for sale, and this would look really nice in your garage.